Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple bank accounts in Payoneer. It's very simple and easy. First of all, just open your Payoneer here, and then when you are here, you have to tap on this withdraw and transfer on these options in the left side. Now you can see these two options. You have to tap on this withdraw to bank and it will redirect you on this page, and then it will directly link to your bank account whatever you linked with Payoneer. Now if you go back here, and here you have to tap on this manage bank accounts, and now you can see this is my bank account already linked, and you can see that I can link 15 bank accounts here. Just simply tap on this add account here, and then you can enter your bank account details, and then you can add multiple bank accounts in Payoneer. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.